wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah! And today we're going to the moon! That's why I have my cool astronaut helmet on. You like that one, right? Yeah. Today we're gonna go to the moon. Are you ready? Are you all packed up? Kids, are you ready at home too? Do you have your astronaut helmet on? Good. So, now we look outside of the window and we see that the moon is very, very far away. What do you think it would be like to go there? You know, a few people have been to the moon. Astronauts went there to see what it was like. Yeah, like Neil Armstrong. If you went to the moon, you'd be an astronaut too. Woohoo! Oh, maybe I'm an astronaut because I have an astronaut helmet on. But I've not been onto the moon. No, I've not been there. To get to the moon, you have to go in a huge rocket. Oh, that's a big rocket. You know how they lift off? How they go up into space? With a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, kids, get ready. I think we're gonna go up to the moon. Get ready. Put on your seatbelt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we have liftoff. And we're sitting in a tiny cabin at the very top of that rocket, right? You see us? Along with the astronauts. The rocket flies into space. And then there's nothing but stars and darkness all around. It takes 4 whole days to reach the moon. Did you know that? 4 days. Oh, isn't this beautiful? And when we get there, you climb into a little spaceship. A little one, smaller than the rocket that we were on. It flies down and gently lands on the moon. Kids, we're on the moon! Oh, this is so exciting. To go outside, you have to put on a spacesuit. Like a helmet that I'm wearing, but I don't have a spacesuit. Oh, maybe Mommy and Daddy will give me a spacesuit for my next birthday. Because there's no air on the moon, spacesuits carry air so we can breathe, right? Yeah. If I put down my helmet, then you won't hear me, so I'm going to keep it up for right now, okay? The moon is silent, empty, and dusty. Shh, it's very silent here. Very silent. Nobody's here. It's very lonely. There are huge mountains on the moon and big holes. Oh, watch out! Don't fall in there! But there are no trees or water, no animals or people. No, nothing's there. Very empty, very silent, very dusty. On the moon, you feel very light and floaty. Look at us jump! So when we're on the moon, we can walk around and take big bouncing strides. We can jump really far, much further than you can at home on Earth, right? Now, we astronauts sometimes go exploring in moon buggies. Oh, I want to drive a moon buggy. You sit in this small little car and you drive around and see so much more. Ooh, so fun. Look. Wow. We collect moon rocks to bring back home. Oh. If I go to the moon, Olivia, I will bring you a lot of moon rocks home.
Thank you.
And then I will also take photos to show to you. Or to show to you kids. Yeah, I'll show you my moon pictures. Then I can teach you about the moon, what it looks like, and what I saw and found. And just for me, I'll also take a selfie. Hee ha. Just for me. You know what we do too? Astronauts, we put a flag on the moon to show that we have been there. Yep. I haven't been on the moon, so there's no NOAA flag on there. But the US has been on the moon, and that's why there's an American flag on the moon. Maybe one day I can put my flag there. NOAA flag. Oh, and if we turn around, we can see our world from the moon. Earth. Oh, I see you. I see you, Olivia. You're right there on that planet. That's planet Earth. It looks really tiny because it is so far, far away. Oh, but it's so beautiful. It's blue and white. I see the clouds. Oh, and that must be the land. Yep, I see the US. I see it. Oh, but it's very, very blue. A lot of blue. I think that's because planet Earth is made up 70% water. Yeah, I learned that. When it's time to go, the astronauts blast off from home. But not in the same rocket. No, this is a different rocket. We start off from the moon, but there's no countdown, right? Because there are no people there to watch us. No. No. We do tell the people back on Earth, though, we're on our way. Yep. Earth. Noah to Earth. Hi, Noah. Here is Earth. What do you want to tell us? We are on our way home. The moon is left almost as it was before, apart from a flag and a buggy. I left that there. Yep, we just left that there. I also see my footprints in its dust. Yeah, on the moon. You see it? Yeah. So, now that we've returned back and landed on Earth, we're back home, safe, and it's time to go to bed. And I look outside and see the moon again, and I wonder, will I ever go there again? Maybe. So, kids, do you now want to travel to the moon too? That would be nice, wouldn't it? You would enjoy it just as much as I would. It'd be pretty cool. Well, maybe tonight we can dream of space in our sleep. Wouldn't that be fun? Maybe one day you'll even be an astronaut, just like me. Yeah, that would be fun. And then you wouldn't be traveling to the moon, no. You'd be traveling to Mars. But that is another story for the next time. So kids, that's it for today. It's time to go to bed. Good night, sleep tight, and dream again. See you next time. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!